And looking kind of crazy here. Looks like a rainbow out in West Texas. What is going on? We have got rain chances on the way. Yes, for Central Texas included. They had some severe weather up between Amarillo and Dallas near Wichita Falls last night. Likely dry line setup basically chops the panhandle in half. The western portions are dry. Beyond that, towards the east is where likely there's more severe weather later on this evening. For some reason, you're traveling north of Abilene towards Wichita Falls and then north of there into western Oklahoma. They likely have afternoon and evening thunderstorms. We likely have some strong thunderstorms moving in tomorrow morning. It's the time frame for that. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Right now, it is quite muggy when you step out. I noticed that immediately this morning and just how warm it was. We're already sitting 79 degrees ahead of the noon hour, which means, yes, we're not only just going to jump up to 80 degrees, close to 90 degrees this afternoon. Thankfully, we have breezy conditions in place that kind of help it not feel significantly warmer than what it is outside right now. Winds staying at 24 miles an hour out of the south. Here in Temple, surrounding areas about 20 miles an hour on average. So stray 25-30 mile an hour gusts ahead of that rain chance. We've got a couple to talk about here. First one again is not going to be this afternoon or evening. It is going to be in the overnight hours, but especially tomorrow morning, depending on where you're at. You can see front dropped into the panhandle, dropped Amarillo down to 54 right now versus 79. Here in Waco right now, 80 in balmy and Corpus. High temperatures this afternoon slated to be right around the 90-degree mark. And because we do have more humidity in place this week, it is definitely going to feel like it's 90 degrees for certain. Slight risk throughout much of West Texas in the big country to see some strong to severe thunderstorms later this afternoon. Level 3 enhanced risk further north than that. As you can see, that's not in our neck of the woods. However, let's zoom in and look at late tonight, early tomorrow morning. Greatest chance for a severe warning here in Central Texas is going to be from a line about Hamilton to Goldthwaite and then outside of our viewing area towards the west. And again, that's going to be late tonight. I'm talking like 10 p.m. plus. For a lot of us, it holds off until tomorrow morning, though. There's a slim chance there's a quick little spurt of rain, a quick downpour to the east of College Station this afternoon. By the way, it's just very humid out there, you guys. Nothing unusual about that. Line of thunderstorms, and likely it's a broken line that's weakening as it travels from west to east. Brief heavy downpours, thunder, lightning, small hail going to be possible as well with all this activity. Approaches our western counties between, I'd say, about 10 and midnight. By about 2-3 a.m., getting closer to the I-35 corridor. Can start to bow out a little bit. Definitely winds could wake you up when it reaches your location. Unfortunately for the I-35 corridor, it's going to be right around the morning commute tomorrow morning, moving out from west to east. And you can see, as I said, things are going to break up as they do travel into the Brazos Valley, clearing out by noon. Second weather model tells the same story, and this one does take us all the way through Saturday morning. By the way, Friday night into Saturday morning, likely we have another round of rain. So second weather model takes us to 90 degrees this afternoon. Again, breezy at times. Rain holds off for us. That is until the overnight hours and early tomorrow morning. A broken line does approach the area. Brief heavy downpours. Some of us could rack up nearly an inch of rain, so that is the good news about this. The severe threshold is pretty low. I think there could be a stray warning, and the likelihood of that is higher in our far western counties right when that initial line does reach your location. I'd say around midnight or so on average. But things clear out by noon in the Brazos Valley I-45 corridor, and then pointing towards East Texas and Houston can be lasting through early tomorrow afternoon, but for the great majority of us, it's tomorrow morning. It is going to be warm, muggy, and a couple of isolated, very, very light stray showers possible for Good Friday morning, by the way. Second weather system is going to arrive on overnight Friday into Saturday, especially Saturday morning for Central Texas. Can bring scattered showers and storms along with it. There's a low and severe threshold threat for Saturday. Easter Sunday, good news being the rain clears out, but it's going to be cooler, you guys. I'll show you that on the 7-day here in a second. Between now and Saturday evening, we could on average rack up about an inch of rain, so that's the other good news. If you don't have 6+ on your TV, this is simulated radar for tomorrow morning system, by the way. You can get live radar now 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Again, weather impact alerts for tomorrow morning as well as Saturday. Things clear out, but look how cool Easter Sunday is going to be. If you have short sleeves like this, you may want a light jacket. Lindsay, I feel like we've had a lot of Easters where a system like this kind of made us cooler.
Yeah, but the jacket always ruins the outfit. That's okay though.